Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upscale a low quality video to 4K. I have a video here, this particular video, and we're going to check the properties of the video. I'm going to go to details. We can see that this video is 1280 by 720 because that's the frame rate. So the software I'm going to use for this video is After Effects. You want to go ahead and launch your After Effects application, and you want to go ahead and create a new composition. I'm going to click here. I'm going to title it. That's low quality to 4K. And you also want to make sure the resolution of your timeline matches that of the clip. And you want to make sure that you set the resolution to 4K. As you can see, I already have UHD 4K 29.97 frames per second. Alright, so you want to go ahead and click OK. So we now have a 4K timeline here. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and bring our video in. We want to import the video. Oh, sorry. So as you can see, this video is inside a 4K resolution. That is why it is looking so small. So this is a 1280 by 720 in a 4K timeline. So what you want to do here once you have your video in your After Effects is to go to Effects and Presets and type Detail Preserving Upscale. So we already have it here. You want to drag and drop that right here. If we were just going to go ahead and scale this video to fit in here, it will fit in here, but it will lose its quality. But with this effect, let's see what happens. So you want to come to the Effects tab and you want to click on Fit to Comp Height. Alright, gonna go ahead and click that, and as you can see, video that was just 720p is now occupying the 4K timeline. But right now this video looks very bad, and if we are to play it, it's probably gonna lag and the quality will be very poor. But once we render this video, everything will look pretty dope. Let's go ahead and render the video. You have to remember this will take a bit of time to render depending on the length of the video you're working on. So I'm just gonna mute the volume so it doesn't make so much sound. So I'm just gonna wait for it to finish. I'm probably gonna cut the video to when it is done rendering and then return to show you how the video looks like in 4K. Alright, now that I am done rendering the video, I'm going to go ahead and export the video. So the video is exporting. I'm going to pause the video and resume when we are almost done exporting the video, so I don't waste so much of your time. Alright, so our video is done exporting, and we're going to go ahead and check the resolution of our video. As you can see, it has been upscaled and it looks pretty good. Guys, this is how to convert a low quality video to 4K.